Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Not welcome back to another video. So this is the Fourth Dimension channel. Right now you're seeing this place, and first I have to introduce you to all the dimensions. So this is the simplest dimension, the 0th dimension. The 0th dimension is just a point. When you zoom in and zoom out, it won't get any bigger. The reason for that is because it doesn't have any x, y, or z. It's just 0, nothing. See? When you zoom out, it's still the same. So that is the simplest dimension, the point. And then this is the first dimension. It only has a y. And my theory of the fourth dimension, everything depends on the y. So here's the y-axis. It only has a y-axis, which is why you can't see it, because it doesn't have any x or z. So that's the line, just one dimension, y. And then one dimension higher is 2D. This is a plane. It can also be called a polygon, a square, whatever. I'm just gonna call it, I don't know why. Yeah. It's basically just infinite of these lines. So many that, it actually has an X. Meanwhile, the line only has a Y. So the plane has a Y and X. So you can actually see it. Here is the third dimension, the most familiar dimension. It's a cube. And this cube has Z. So these are the simplest dimensions. But I will use these dimensions and move on to the fourth dimension. For example, a 4D shape, a 4D object is called a tesseract. Basically, it's just a cube, but as you can see, this plane, so you see this plane, it's basically just a square, you know, with 4 corners. And then this cube, each face is a plane, basically. But anyways, basically all 4 corners, they go in this new dimension, which is the Z dimension. They go backwards, out of the second dimension, and then they end up right over here at the back. Then they all connect to each other. So that will form an extra 6 cubes. And the tesseract, in other people's theory, is basically a cube, but each vertice connects into the fourth dimension, and they also connect. But everyone is saying that the tesseract, the corners just go inside, so it looks like my channel icon. But in real life, that is completely wrong, because that isn't the fourth dimension. The fourth dimension